Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS version so you know which menu labels to use. Once done, make sure your phone has at least 20% battery and is on Wi-Fi to download assets quickly. Now open Settings and go directly to Wallpaper or Home Screen Settings. This puts you in the right place to add live content. You're not changing static images yet. You're preparing the phone to accept live wallpapers and any required permissions for them to run. You tap Live Wallpapers or Themes and scan the built-in options first because they're optimized for Vivo. If you want more variety, open the Theme Store or Google Play and download a trusted live wallpaper app. Choose high-rated ones to avoid malware. Once selected, make sure to grant runtime permissions like motion access, and if needed, allow the app to be excluded from aggressive battery optimization so the animation runs smoothly. You're controlling both appearance and system behavior here. You apply the chosen live wallpaper and pick whether it goes on the home screen, lock screen, or both, then confirm the preview. If the animation doesn't start, reboot the phone and make sure battery saver or ultra mode is off because those stop background animations. If it still fails, clear the wallpaper app's cache or reinstall it. This often fixes crashes. Finally, if performance lags, choose a lower resolution or fewer particles to save CPU and battery while keeping the effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.